I found myself at my living room table. My credit score was a 450. I was $20,000 in debt. So I told myself I had to find a way. So I came across a guy on YouTube who says you can fix your credit if you do these certain things. But you had to download what he had to say and send him his email and pay a small subscription fee. So I thought, this is the last little bit of money I got. I'm at home, no job. What do I have to lose? So I paid for it. And every single step that guy showed me, I took it in, I studied it, I mastered it, step by step, on how to remove my credit derogatories, how to remove my inquiries, how to reboost my credit, how to rebuild my credit, and the fundamentals of what credit was. I knew I found the way. I just didn't know how to facilitate it. So I start implicating each one of those steps. And then I realized I was at a standpoint where I didn't know what I was doing. So I told myself, what do I got to lose? So I sent the letters off. 30 days later, a couple things came off my credit. I checked my score. My score started to go up. Right then, I knew I had something special. And I knew something that a lot of people didn't know unless they either watched what I was watching or they already knew how to do what I was doing. So I told myself I found a way. So I continued to implicate those instructions from my YouTube and clean my whole credit up. My credit went from a 450 to a 550, from a 550 to a 650, from a 650 to a 700. And that lets you know right then, if you take your time, you implicate the steps, you have patience with yourself, you believe in yourself, you can get it done. Believe in yourself. You got to separate yourself. You got to start putting your priorities first. Before that, I was spending unnecessary money over here, doing this, doing that, but it wasn't getting me nowhere. I didn't have credit. I was paying cash for everything. Rent, cars, everything was cash. So at the end of spending all the cash, there was nothing left. So I had to learn the power of leveraging. I had to find a way. And so after sending those letters and watching my credit score level up, then I knew my credit was good. Now I had to figure out how to get me some credit cards, how to open up a small business. And then right there, something came upon me. I knew I found my way.